welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe transfer. I'm going to use a very unusual base color. I'm not sure how well that's going to play out with these other colors. I'm hoping to keep some negative space, but we'll see how that goes. So let's get down on the canvas and get started. Be right back. All right, everyone. So I've got a 20 by 24 canvas, and what I'm going to be doing today is one of my transfers. So what I'm going to do is have my base coat. This is my Napthol red and Napthol yellow red, excuse me. And I've added a little white, so now it kind of gives this little peachy color. Then I'm going to be using my Amsterdam in greenish blue. I've got my Dioxazine purple. This is Pebeo's green blue, iridescent. And today we're gonna give some of the champagne gold a spin. Let's see how that comes together with the rest of the colors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down just a little bit of white here on as a runway. Go. All right, let's try this a little differently than what I normally do. Go. So I'm going to first layer out some greenish blue. Just a little bit of champagne gold. The green blue. And purple. I'm just going to dribble in some of my base coat color. Next thing I'm going to do is put on my cell activator. Where did it go? Just going to pour my white cell activator over top of my palette knife here. Just let that run back into my cup, so I'm going to reuse it. Now I'm just going to press, keeping the front end of the blade up, and swipe right on through all of that color. Lift up on the edge there. Look how that's selling up already. Really cool. I am going to put out some base coat here. I like to get my corners, sides here. I've got a little bit of the base coat here on the end of my pizza scraper here. I am going to scrape up everything that I've swiped. And now we're going to transfer it over to the canvas. So there's some goodness still sitting on the edge of my scraper here. So what I'll do is I'll come up underneath it and grab all of that fun cell stuff, transfer it back over here. Right off. Let's do that again. This time I think I'm gonna put down my, no, let's put down the purple first. We'll do more of the champagne this time. Green blue. The bluish green. A bit of that base color. Here we go again. And what happens on the end of here isn't too important because that's always going to be end up getting tilted off or spun off. I can do my last one through here and we'll be set to go. Start to play. Back over here. let's spin this and see what happens. I wanted to try to keep a little more negative space, but this was an instance where a little too much paint was put on the canvas. It's a fine balance. You're trying to figure out how much paint to put on your canvas because you want to be able to have enough to spin off, but you also still want to have enough to kind of keep the negative space. But when you're transferring, you want to make your design as you're transferring. And I think what happened was I just had a little too much paint, and so it spread out too far. So lesson learned. That's okay. That's what these videos are for. I'm supposed to do this painting. You are supposed to see what to do and what not to. What I will say I'm happy with, again, this white that I used as the pillow over on the swipe, this was the Artist Loft Soft Body White. It just completely clouds up and makes these giant boulder cells. It is just really, really wild. I don't know what they put in their formula, but it just definitely interacts with the other paints and comes up with this really cool boulder cell. So it's a little abstract. I wish I would have had a little more negative space, but I do like this base color. So let me clean up my edges. I'll bring you guys in. All right, here we are with the wet results. So off camera, I got rid of the orange corners, but now I really think this is kind of crazy looking. Let me bring you in here. I'll show you a close-up. Cells galore over there in that corner. All right, we'll see when it's dry. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for today. So this piece is not dry because I just painted it yesterday. So it's not even dry enough to hold up to give you a little bit of a end result. But this wasn't exactly what I was going for. It's a little wild, a little crazy, and I didn't get my negative space. But I did talk to Mina and Nate when I was finished painting it, and I showed them, and they thought that getting rid of that orange popsicle color would probably be better for the piece, so that's what I did. So as soon as everything's dry, I will show you this piece dry, and I've got a few more pieces that I promised I would show you from the previous video. So I'll get all of those into the next video. All right, everyone, I'll talk to you next time. Have a great rest of the week.